Good morning, students. Already we talked the rounding nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000. Today, again, we will discuss nearest 10 and nearest 100. Now, I will tell you some simple shortcut method how you could find nearest 10, nearest 100. Okay, listen carefully. The first example, nearest 10. So nearest 10 means first we have to find out the place value. The given number is a ones place, it's 10th place. Okay. So this is the 10th place. This is the 10th place. So what is the question? Nearest 10. So this is 10. Nearest 10 from left to right. This is the nearest 10. So we have to rounding the nearest 10 means we have to round off this number. Okay. Okay, guys, second one. This is the ones place, this is 10th place. So this is 10th place. We have to round off nearest 10. This is the nearest 10. So you have to modify this number. Okay, this number. Ones, tens. This is 10. So nearest 10, this is the nearest 10. We have to modify. We have to round off this number. Okay. Then rounding to the nearest 100. How we find out which number we want to modify? We want to round off. This place, ones, tens, 100. So what is the nearest 100? This is the 100 place. Now we want to modify this one. So this is the nearest 100. This number, ones, tens, 100. This is a 100 question. But we want to modify nearest 100. So this is a 100 place. But nearest 100, this is the nearest 100 from left to right. Okay. So this now they given some 5-digit number. Now nearest 100 means how we find out which number we want to modify. So ones, tens, 100. This is a 100 question. But we want to round in the number nearest 100. So near 100 this is the nearest 100. 5 is the nearest 100. So how we to modify? How to round in the number? Let me see. 74. So nearest 10. Ones, tens. So nearest 10, this is 10. So we want to modify. We want to round in the number. So we have rules. It's a less than, it's a 4. Number 4. So it's a below 5. Below, compare than 5, it's a smaller number. Okay, it's a smaller than 5. So we have to smaller than 5 means we have to round off the nearest 70. So 70 is the rounding number. Okay. So here, so we have to take this number 6. Okay, greater than 5. Always we have to compare 5. Is above 5, we have to take the greatest number. Below 5, we have to take lowest number. Okay. So 556. 6 is the nearest 10. Okay. Nearest 10. So above 5 is compared to 5. 6 is the greater than 5. So we have to take highest position. 550. Sorry, 570. 60. 560. 560. This is the rounding number. Okay. Then next we have to compare this number. So 9 is a greater than 5. Yes. Compare than 5. 9 is the biggest number. So we have to take 2290. 2290. This is the rounding number. Okay. Okay. Come to this position. Now ones, tens. This is a 100 position. Now we want to round in the number nearest 100. This is 100. So nearest 100, 3 is the nearest 100. How to round in the number? So 539. Okay. So nearest 100 means 500. So compare than, sorry, 3 less than 5. So see, 5 is the bigger than 3. So if above 5, the 3 is bigger than 5 means we have to take right side rounding number. But now we have to take left side rounding number. So what we can do? 500 and 500. Only 500. Okay. This is the rounding number. Now nearest 100. This is 100. Nearest 100 is 8. Now we have to compare 5. So it's a greater than 5. Compared than 5, 8 is the biggest number. So we have to take right side number. How 1400. Okay, 1400. Okay. Now you have to take the 100, near 100. Na? So this is 100 question. Nearest 100 is 5. So 5 is equal to 5. Equal. So we have to take always right side. So 4000. 1 times 100,000, 10,000, 43,700. So 43,700. Okay, this is the way we have to rounding the numbers. Okay, let me discuss the third rounding to the thousand place. Okay, how to round up the nearest thousand place. First, we have to find out the place value of thousands, nearest thousands. How to find out? I already told you. Nearest, the question is nearest thousand. So ones, tens, 100,000. This is the thousand place, but the question is nearest thousand. So this is the nearest thousand. We have to take this number and we have to compare to 5. If compared than 5 is above 5, we have to take the largest number, rounding number. Okay. Then if below 5, we have to take lowest rounding number. Okay, if equal 5, you have to take highest rounding number. Okay, this is the rule. So now let's see how I am going to round off this nearest thousand place. So first of all, we have to find out the position place value of number. So ones, tens, 100,000. So 1000. This is thousand place, but the question is nearest thousand. So this is the nearest thousand. So 7. Now I am going to take this 7 and compare them 5. So 7, 5. It is a greater than 5 or less than 5? It is a greater than 5. So we can put greater than. Okay? Okay. So greater than 5. So what is the rounding number? So 5,000. The rounding number is 5,000. Okay. So when we round up 4,787, when we round up, we got 5,000. Okay. Now this second number, nearest thousand, ones, tens, 100,000. This is the thousand place. Nearest thousand place is 3. So 3. Now we take 3 and compare them 5. So 3, 5. So what symbol, what operator can I put here? Can I put less than or greater than? If I put greater than, wrong. Okay, so if I put less than, is it right? Because 5 is the greater than 3. So now I put less than. Okay, so if below 5, what round off number? You have to take the smallest rounding number. So 2000 is the rounding number. 2000 is the rounded number. Okay, the next, third number. First we have to find out the position place value. Ones, tens, 100,000. This is 1000 place. But we want to round off nearest 1000. So this is the nearest 1000. 5 is the nearest 1000. So we have to take and compare. So 5, 5. So both are equal. So we put equal. If equal means we have to take always higher rounded number. So what
71,000 is the highest number.
Okay, students. Let me see some exercise. The exercise 6. Okay. First we discuss rounding nearest tens. So already I told you nearest tens means first we have to find out place value of the number place value. So ones, tens. So this is the tens place. Nearest 10 means 7 is the nearest 10. Okay. So we have to compare then. Which number? Compare then 5. So it is bigger than 7 or less than 5. It's a less than 5. Sorry, greater than 5. It's a greater than 5. So compare than 5. 7 is the big number. So I already told you when compare than 5, it's a large number. We have to take the highest rounded number. So 57 in this right side, which is the highest rounded number, 60. 60 is the rounded number. Okay. Okay. Now ones, tens. So nearest 10, This is the nearest 10. Okay. So we have to take and compare the 5. So compare than 5, it says smaller than 5. Okay. So we have to take less than. We have to put less than. Less than 5, we what the rounded number? Lowest rounded number 90. 90 is the rounded number. Okay. Then ones, tens. So this is the nearest 10. So compare 1 and 5. So it's below 5. So we put less than. So we how we rounded 290. 290 is the rounded number. Then ones, tens. So nearest 10, 5. So 5, 5. So both are equal. So largest rounded number 380. 380. So this is the rounded nearest 10. Okay. Okay, students. Let me see the exercise 6. Sum 2. Rounding nearest 100. Okay. The sum A. First we have to take. First we have to find out the place value. So ones, tens, 100. So what is the question? Nearest 100. So ones, tens, 100. 100. This is the 100 place. Nearest 100 is 4. So what we are going to do? We have to take this 4 and we have to compare 5. So 4, 5. It is a greater than 5 or smaller than 5? So smaller than 5. So we put less than 5. So 5 is the big number, 4 is the small number. So we put less than. So below 5, what is the rounding rule? So you have to take lowest rounded number. So 446, lowest rounding number 400. 400 is the rounded number. Okay. Then second one, ones, tens, 100. So nearest 100 is 1. You have to take and compare. 1, 5. It's a greater than 5 or smaller than 5? Smaller than 5. So we put less than. So what is the, if smaller than 5 means, what is the rounded number? The lowest rounded number 700. Okay. The next, ones, tens, 100. So nearest 100 is 8. So we have to take and compare. 8, 5. It's a greater than 5 or less than 5? It's a greater than 5. So we put greater than. So what is the rounded number? So above 5, we have to take highest rounded number. So 983, when we round off, we got 1000. Okay. Then next, ones, tens, 100. So 100 nearest 8. So again same, 8 greater than 5, the same condition here. When we round up, so 1200. 1200, okay. So 1185, when we round up, we got 1200. Okay, students, let me see the sum third. Round off to the nearest 1000. So first we have to find out the place of place value. First we take the sum A, ones, tens, 100,000. So 1000. This is 1000 place. First the question is nearest 1000. So this is 1000 place. Nearest 1000 is this. 2 is the nearest 1000. So we want to round off. For how to round off? First we take and compare 5. Then if below 5, we have to take lowest rounded number. If above 5, we take largest rounded number. Okay. So 2, 5. Is it greater than 5 or less than 5? It's less than 5. Okay. So we put less than. Then what is the, if below, if less than 5, what is the rule? You have to take the lowest rounded number. So 3000. 3000 is the rounded number. Okay. So 3278. When we round off, we got 3000. Okay. Then it's another sum. Ones, tens, 100,000. So nearest 1000 is 9. So we have to take 9 and compare 5. Is it greater than 5? Less than 5? It's greater than 5. So greater than, I told you, above 5 you have to take highest rounded number. So 6938. So we will take highest rounded number is 7000. Okay. Then another one. Ones, tens, 100,000. So nearest 1000 is 1. So 1, compare than 5, so less than 5. Okay, so we take less than 5 means lowest rounded number, so 7,000. The other sum, ones, tens, 100,000. So nearest to 1000 is 5. So 5 compare than 5 is both are equal. So equal means you have to take highest rounded number 10,000. 9,569. When we round off, we got 10,000. Okay.